हाँ हेलो। तो आज हम पढ़ने वाले दी टाइम आई गॉट रीइंकार्नेटेड एज ए स्लाइम। नहीं, दैट टाइम आई गॉट रीइंकार्नेटेड एज ए स्लाइम। हाँ वही। तो मेरे को नहीं पता तुम लोग को मांगा एनीमे पसंद है, लेकिन इसका एनीमे है तो देखना हो तो देख लो, नहीं तो मांगे का भी मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन, मांगा का लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूँगा अगर देखना हो तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो इसके अंदर एक अजीब सी बच्ची का फोटो, हाँ यहाँ से स्टार्ट है, गलत हो गया। हाँ तो रिमुरुसामा, इज देयर समथिंग यू प्लान टू डू? आई प्लान टू गो आउट एंड हैव ए लुक। व्हाट अबाउट यू ऑल? ऑफ कोर्स वी विल गो विथ यू। इज दैट सो? देन लेट्स डिपार्ट। बी 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 बी। That slime seemed pretty arrogant. Was that me? And I actually turned into a beautiful girl. Boy, what a weird dream. Is that my wish? Although I am not at all that dissatisfied with my current situation, I take that back. How unfair. Let me introduce you. This is my fiance, Sawatari Yoshie-san. Sorry to bother you, senpai. I wanted to discuss something about our wedding. This Tamura fellow, is he doing this on purpose in front of me, who is not fated for love? Showing off after obtaining the company's Madonna's heart? That bastard. Hello, my name is Mikami Satoru. Sorry, गलती हो गई. Minami Satoru. It's first time I have ever spoken with you. I am a little nervous. हाँ वो लड़की ने बोला, इसने नहीं बोला, वो लड़की है ना, हाँ वो लड़की ने बोला, सेनपाई आई विल ट्रीट यू टुडे। ए वाई? हैज पेमेंट फॉर एक्सेप्टिंग माई इम्पोलाइट रिक्वेस्ट। तामुरा स्प्लेंडेड को है, व्हाट ए हार्ड फेलो टू मीट। खाना दे दिए खुश हो गया, अब क्या बंदा है रे? It can't be helped, I just pass candidly wish them happiness. There is really good shop to Tonikochi shop. Senpai also likes it, right? Huh? What? Kitchen knife? उसको लेके कौन मार रहा है? हाँ मेरे को क्या? ताबूरा! खचैक! नहीं, इसको धक्का मारने को धक्का नहीं, मैं इंग्लिश में बोल रहा था। ए my back feels really hot. Don't tell me I got stabbed. Tamura. Sawatari will disappointed at that face, you know. Senpai, please don't die. Why is it becoming cold? A human will die if there isn't enough blood. This is bad. Confirmation complete. Constructing a body that does not require blood. What was that voice now? Tamura doesn't require blood? I don't understand. It also sounded very inorganic. A computerized synthesized voice. PC. Tamura. If by any chance I die, please take care of my PC. Throw it into bathtub and short circuit it and make sure to destroy all data. हाँ, मुझे ऐसे नहीं लग रहा उसके अंदर ऐसी चीज़ें जो ये किसी को देखना नहीं, दिखाना नहीं चाहता. That's really like senpai. Senpai. Actually today I only wanted to flirt Sawatari in front of you. I already know that. Bastard, I have already forgiven you. Try your hardest to make her happy. And please take care of my PC. Don't die, senpai! हाँ थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. हाँ. A life that had nothing special to mention. Graduated from college, tentatively entered a large-scale composite construction company, and currently a 37-year-old bachelor. Because my similar aged brother grabbed all of my parents' attention, I could become a bachelor chained down by nothing. And also, because of this, I am a virgin. I am sorry, my son of the lower body. If there is any afterlife, I will definitely predate everywhere and feed you well. So that's probably impossible. Confirmation, complete acquiring skill, predator, success. Also, it's been said that a virgin man will become a magician after 30. For me, who is about to be 40, I would probably become a sage, right? Confirmation, complete, acquired, unique skill, sage. If I put in more effort, even becoming a great sage shouldn't be just a dream, right? अबे तू मैजिशियन बनना चाहता हूँ, ये कहाँ पे है बे? इंडिया में ऐसा कुछ क्यों नहीं है? Confirmation, complete, unique skill, sage, evolving, success, unique skill, sage, evolved into great sage. Hey, that sounds amazing. Hey, what the hell was that earlier? What did you mean unique skill, great sage? It's not unique at all. That wasn't even funny either. How rude, really. Is this death? Unexpectedly, it's not lonely as I had thought. It's so dark. Where is this? What happened to me? I remember that I got stabbed while protecting Tamura. Was I saved? That said, is this the hospital bed? I can't see anything, I can't hear anything. Is it already past the curfew? I should first call the nurse. Yeah, my limbs don't seem to be responding. That's not possible. I was only stabbed. My arms and legs shouldn't be all gone. Don't tell me I was really paralyzed because my nerves were cut. Hey, give me a break already. Huh? I moved. क्या है ये? Below my abdomen. Is that a grass? I don't smell anything at all. There is also no sense of sight, hearing, and smell. There is only touch. What about taste? Alright, let's give it a taste. Actually, where the hell is my mouth? The grass melted. Is it being absorbed after melting? Wait a minute. This isn't even human anymore. Hey, wait a moment. Let's calm down and confirm my appearance. Is that so? Is that so? Huh? It's probably is like this. Wait, what kind of joke is this? Who would accept something like this? But dissolving and absorbing plants, this streamlined body shape, and this sort of elastic feeling. Although Minami Satori didn't want it to admit it, he reincarnated into slime after being killed. Ha! It's been a long time since I have accepted myself as a slime. I have gotten used to this elastic body. I can't feel heat nor cold. Even after bumping into rocks, I will quickly self-regenerate. There was no need to sleep or eat either. It's just very lonely. This is the problem I can't solve. So I started eating grass in order to pass time. That being said, I still haven't pooped yet. Where did all the grass go that I ate though? Answer: they are stored inside the unique skill predator stomach sac. Someone actually answered. Also, the current space used is less than 1%. I have heard this before. This voice that sounded computer synthesized. Who is it? Answer. This is unique skill grade sage effect because the ability had adapted so it can quickly answer you. Unique skill grade sage. Speaking of which, when I seem to have acquired some sort of skill. That said, what are skills? Answer. When growth is recognized by the world, occasionally one will obtain a skill. Although I don't understand it too much, seems like that this is how the world is. Are both great sage and predator my skills? The current me completely sank into joyfulness. Although it's a skill, I still someone with chat with so I could. Although I don't understand it too much, seems like that this is just how this world it is. अरे आगे आ गया ना. Although it's a skill, I still someone to chat with. Also, I got carried away, and the result skills. So I fell into water, probably an underground lake. I am going to die. I am finally reincarnated, but I am already going to die. Great sage, how painful is it? Suffocate to death? Answer: a slime's body does not need oxygen. Oh, I am indeed not feeling any pain. At this time, my brain cells, slime's body thought up a formidable strategy. I am not feeling embarrassed right now, okay? Swallowing large amount of water and propelling myself, splitting out water jet. Imagination. Me. This will really work. Whoosh. Acquired skill hydraulic propulsion. I am almost peed myself. Can you hear me, little one? Can you hear me, little one? Who is speaking to me? It's not Great Sage. This is bad. I am getting nervous. This is the first conversation I am having since reincarnating into a slime. I will have to be friendly. But how do I reply? It's not like I am able to let out any voice. Hey, you can just reply. Don't be so inconsiderate, Baldi. How annoying. Baldi. Seems that you wanted to die. Was I here? Sorry, I never expected to be able to speak with anything other than my skill by thought. This is telepathy. Right now I am in state that's unable to see anything. You are? My name is. Although it's hard to converse if you can't see. Alright, I will help you see. Eh? Just don't be scared when you see my appearance, huh? There is something that called magic perception. It's allow you to perceive the surrounding magic essence. Magic essence? Answer. The world covered with magic essence, for example, the body of a slime can move because it absorbs magic essence. If you are able to perceive the flow of magic essence outside your body, then you will get the skill. With that, you will be able to see and hear. Hey, this feels really complicated. Well, it doesn't hurt to try. There seems to be something floating. Is this the so-called magic essence? Extra skill, magic perception acquired. Hey, just like that. In order to organize large amount of information, suggest activating great sage skill at the same time. Activate magic perception. That's for sure. Yes. Oh, I can see, I can see. Seems like you did it. Ah, yes, thank you. Then let me introduce myself again. My name is Storm Dragon Valdora. I am one of the 4 dragon cards in this world. Holy Mother of God. Isn't this a dragon? Hey, didn't I tell you not to get scared? Although the appearance is scary, but this dragon is unexpectedly approachable and chatty. So, you are a reincarnated person from different world. Ah, yeah, I don't even have the strength to retort to that. This type of reincarnation is very rare. Occasionally, people of this world will reincarnate, and occasionally, other worlders will also cross into this world. But from my knowledge, there aren't any case of reincarnating here from different world. Is that so? Rather than this, there seems to be other people that came from a different world. It looks like those people will get ability what they wished for. अच्छा, तो इसका मतलब जो इसको जो पहले उसने जो सोचा था ठंडी लग रही, लेकिन उसने विश नहीं किया ना. आपको क्या लगता है, नीचे कमेंट में बताओ. So that's why my skills are the type great sage and predator. Maybe there are Japanese people here. I should try to meet them. Is that so? Are you going to leaving? He is expressing loneliness right now. Hey. That is Eldora not able to move from here? I became like this after being sealed 300 years ago by the Yusha. I am bored out of my mind. There are actually heroes in this world. The heroes are really strong. Even though she looked like a powerless girl, she sealed me using the unique skill Absolute Severance and Infinite Prison. Did he lose because he is fascinated by the girl's beauty? How could that be possible? What use him to pretty happy when talking about losing? Her, her short stature was very slender, snow white skin, silver black ponytail, small apple red mouth. Oh, how meticulously observant. This fellow probably likes humans. Even though he looks really scary, I don't feel frightened anymore. Also becomes lonely easily. Okay, I know. Will you become friends with me? What? Is lying. He actually wants to be friends with a storm dragon. If if you don't want to, it's okay. Are you an idiot? Who said it's not okay? Hey, is that so? What are we going to do? That's right. If you really want to that much, I will think about it. Let's say it this way. I will become your friend no matter what. If it's no good, I will never come here back again. But it can't be helped. I will become your friend. Oh, I'll be your care. शर्मा गया dragon. Now then, what are we going to do about this scene? Because I obviously need to save my friend, right? Great sage. How do we get rid of Veridora's seal? Answer: there is no way. It is impossible to destroy Infinity Prison using physical attacks. Is that so? As expected from Yusha's ability. The level is really different. To say the possible solution of breaking the seal. I see. Hey, don't only talk to your own skill. Don't get jealous. It seems the seal could be broken after analyzing both the inside and outside of Infinity Prison. But my abilities were sealed within it at the same time. I can't use them anymore. Acha. I will just need Veridoras to give me information on this. It seems like my great sage could analyze it. Won't that take a long time? Don't you want to quickly leave this place to meet the fox from another world? I mean your world? So I will make suggestion. Verdora, do you want to come inside my stomach? Kuha! Very interesting. I will listen to you. I will give. Very interesting. I will listen to you. I will leave everything sure in hand. In your hand. He actually used three-stage law. Hey, are you believing me just like that? Of course. Compared to staying here and being lonely, breaking the infinity prison together with you is much more interesting. Then I will now use Predator to swallow you. Before that, let me give you a name. You think of a name for the both of us too. Let's em- let's send the same symbol into our souls. Our souls. A name for both of us. Like a last name? Storm Dragon. Storm. Storm. How does Tempest sound? Would that be too casual? What a good name! He actually likes it. Starting from today, I will be Veridora's Tempest. And as for you, I will give you the name Rimuru. You can use Rimuru Tempest as your name. Then, take care, my friend. Try to quickly escape from Infinity Prison, okay, Veridora? Leave it to me. It won't be long until I will meet Rimuru again. Unique skill, Predator. Start analyzing the unique skill Infinity Prison. Of course, it's yes. Please take care of it, Gaikencha. Great sage. On this day, the whole world was shocked. The catastrophe ranked monster Storm Dragon Veridora's life signal had disappeared. This line that caused this result was entirely obvious to the observer. It will be possible to get attacked by monster while traveling. उसके से मतलब ये कर रहा है. There was no response from Veridora at all. With that chatterbox fellow gone, it couldn't be helped but to feel a little bit lonesome. Although I know that he didn't really disappear, now that it's time to leave. It's time to leave. The next time we meet, I'll prepare some interesting stories to tell you. Speaking of which, this name Rimuru, I think I have heard of it from a dream in my previous life. What was it again? Well, it doesn't matter. Can he make a difference in this world? Can he make a difference in this world? The adventure of Minami Satori's new identity Rimuru Tempest now begins. So thank you for listening to my story. मतलब मेरी story नहीं है. This story belongs to I don't know, but it's my favorite story. So please continue to watch next video. Thank you.